Hello class. Alright, so in this video we are going to update our avatars so they can look more user friendly in a professional manner. So first, let us update our chat list header here. So just open a new tab, type UI avatars, click on this link, the first link, and then next we're going to copy this, generate a blue avatar. Just copy this, and then as you are copying, just press Ctrl C. Alright, go back to our Visual Studio, and here at the top in the header, in the chat list header, just copy the source of this image and then paste what we've just copied from the browser. And in here we're going to type and another parameter in the URL name. Make the name, we're going to use a PHP here. We're going to get the authenticated username. Alright, so if we go back to our Chrome here and then refresh, you see that it has changed here to GA, which is game, this one. So next, let us now deal with the chat list item. So we're gonna go back to our website. In here, we're just gonna scroll down, and then we're gonna come to name here. So just copy this one with Elon Musk. Ctrl C, go back to our Visual Studio. In here on the chat list item, in the source, right here, chat list image container, just copy this whole source until the end, paste the new link and make sure it's HTTP. Next, we're gonna change the name from Elon Musk to the user that we want. So here we're gonna let's copy this one, the get user instance, so we can be quick. Copy that, paste it in here. This get chat user instance conversation name, and then our parameter is going to be name. We made this in the previous video, so I think you know how it works. Next, let us go to our chat box. In here, we're going to change this URL to. So let's go back to our Chrome, copy this thing again, or Command C, and then here in the chat box, in the image container, come here, copy this whole URL, delete it, and then replace it with the one we've just copied. And then for the name, we're going to get the receiver name. So let us delete this. Let us just type it. Let's not be lazy, guys. Receiver instance name. Alright, so if we go back to our Chrome here, refresh. Alright, so now we have this nice looking avatar here, which is taking the name of the user like that. And if we click, it's also coming here. So I like this, I just discovered it now. I wish I discovered it sooner so we could have added it in our previous videos, but now our chat looks more professional like this. And by the way, in off camera, I've also changed, the border of this. I've increased the opacity, and I've also increased the margin here from 2 of this image from 2 to 5, 3 somewhere there. So you can just edit this chat component off camera to whatever suits your needs, like that. But since I've shown you the basics, so you can just expand on that, so you can make the chat component look more to how you imagine it, like that. Right, so in the next video, we're going to work on the send message component.